What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, once again, we are smashing out some work on one of the favorite cars on the channel, the EVO. So in the last video, we did our brand new turbo setup, and I'm over the moon with how the whole thing come together. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go back and check it out. It was definitely a fun one, but this whole setup turned out so nice. I've been driving the car around for a solid couple of days now, zero issues. I'm absolutely chomping at the bit to put the new clutch in it so we can really get that power to the ground and kind of feel it. But as it sits, the new turbo has really bedded in now. It doses hard, it's really responsive, so I'm super happy with it. We will be putting the new clutch in ASAP, but I'm waiting on a new gearbox because the gearbox we currently have, the second gear is just crap. I hate it, so I want to put a fresh gearbox in it with the clutch, so I'm just waiting on that, and then we can go ahead and do that job. But now we've got the engine setup sorted in this car, and I'm really happy with it. It's time to do a couple more exterior mods to this car. A bunch of you guys reached out to me and said you need to change these corner lights because these are clear, and on the EVOs they are amber. Someone even jumped into my DMs and Instagram and sent me a link for them on eBay, so I went ahead and purchased them, and here they are. Woo! Look at that. These were about $100. The link is in the description. They came in a couple of days. I'm really happy to be changing them just because also the current corner lights that we do have, they're a little bit janky, you know. They've been, they're pretty old. They've got white crap on all the seals and they just don't look that good. I also want to go ahead and get some new headlights, so I'm going to order those as well because one of them is actually alright, but the other one is quite faded and yellow, and even though I've sanded it and buffed it, it just doesn't want to come out. So we will be replacing the headlights at some point as well, but I'm stoked to be upgrading these. I really think they're going to change the whole look of the car. And then the second thing that we've got to install on the car is these weather shields. I searched around for these for a while and finally found them. There's heaps of them for the 2 doors, but there's not many for the 4 doors. But these also, even though they're such a small part, make a significant change to the look of the car. Now, as you guys know, when we got this Lancer, it was very, very janky, okay? I bought it for $1,000. And although we've done all these cool things to it to make it look good, there are plenty of little imperfections throughout the car that really need to be improved so that this car can really live up to the hype, if you know what I mean. So when you stand back and look at it, it looks rad, but when you start to look closer, there's a little dent here. There are little things throughout the car that could really be improved, just little scratches. And one of those things is this door right here. So obviously previously had these window shields fitted and they were removed, but were never really removed very well. There's the adhesive and like cut through and stuff here. So getting these weather shields is actually going to really improve the car because it's going to cover up that stuff. Woo! It's going to be so good. Again, the link is in the description for these. They were $130. So pumped on how these are going to look. So first things first, we're going to whip the corner lights out. We're going to chuck our amber corner lights in, and then we'll get on to the weather shields. Let's go. Lights out, yeah, and here's old versus new. Dang. So this is all the janky as. I didn't even realize that these were broken. Had screws in it instead of mounting things because the mounting things had broken off. This one had JB Weld on it. No good. So these are gone, and come the new guy. They even come with bulbs and the little clip thing as well, so you don't have to take anything out. Should we do it right now? Let's do it right now together. Slides in. Oh, damn. Woohoo! I love mods like this. So easy, so small, but make the biggest difference. That looks freaking phenomenal. Holy crap. Alright, I'm gonna hit you guys with a time lapse real quick. Throw these in for real, and we'll move on to the weather shields. Hello, how good's that? Dang, that looks freaking fantastic. Over the moon with that. Now I do have some kind of alignment issues with just the way the front bumper, the front guards and the lights line up, but I think potentially because this was a janky Lancer that we bought, it probably has either had a hit or something in the front at some point or something like that. And so we'll basically need to take things apart and kind of realign them. But I do plan to give this car a complete refresh because I'm enjoying it so much, and I am going to keep it for quite an extended period of time. I don't really see myself selling this car anytime soon. We're going to give this thing a whole refresh at some point, so we'll take everything off, realign it, sand it, give it a whole new paint job, same color probably, but just make this thing pretty much look absolutely like brand new. So for now, I'm pretty happy with the way things are, but we will be doing that in the near future. I can't get over how much that literally changed the front end. That's crazy. Alright, moving on to the second mod, the weather shields. Hell yeah, I'm so pumped about these. So they're super basic. They come with the 3M backing tape. So all you need to do is just clean the door with some kind of cleaner that's just gonna prep it and take all the gankiness off the door. And then what we're gonna do is unwrap this and take the double-sided backing off, and they literally stick on. So I have some prep wash stuff here that I'm using. Literally just chuck it on the rag. Boom, and wipe your surfaces down. G'day there, didn't see you there. That is so satisfying. Alright, moment of truth guys. She's going on the car. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Yes, that looks so good. Alright, let's do the rest. Alright, so we've got one side done. I honestly can't believe how much of a difference just something so simple makes to the car. But let's have a look at one side compared to the other. So this is the one side with, and then look at the other side, and that's without. So again, without, and with. Oh man, come on. The weather shields definitely do it for me, that's for sure. Guys, dang, it's definitely looking the goods. Still a million things on this car that I want to fix up and make better, and I can't believe how much the weather shields really added to the car. It blows my mind, but it looks freaking rad. Very stoked with it. Cannot wait to respray these mirrors. They're so faded and there's always things that need attention on cars. They're never finished, but I guess that's why we love them. They keep us busy, they keep us entertained, and that thing has brought me a freaking crap load of enjoyment. And that's us for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the midweek video. As the channel's growing, I'm trying to put a bit more effort into putting more videos out, so I'm trying for a Sunday and Wednesday release schedule. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. As always, let me know your thoughts about the car in the comments below. This weekend is Winter Matsuri, 2 days of drifting. I'm taking the E36, but we're taking Jordan's E36 as well. So I'm going to get a bunch of footage for you guys of Jordan's M43 Turbo E36 drifting, which is going to be really cool. I'm very intrigued to see how it goes across the weekend, and I know you guys are too. And then after that, we get back, we're going to put our Honda engine on the stand, and we're going to get to work disassembling this thing and getting it ready for some boost and to go into our beautiful EG Civic. So plenty coming up on the channel guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, bye.